Yeah, Mekelle, stand up. This is for my city, for my people. Let's go. From the hills to the streets, Mekelle's alive. Heart of Tigray, where the dreams survive. Markets buzzing, voices loud and clear. City of strength, yeah, we rise from the tears. Concrete jungle with a lion's pride. Every corner got a story that we can't hide. Youth on the hustle, chasing the flame. Mekelle in my blood, remember the name.
Mekelle City shining in my soul. Even through the struggle we will never let go. Beat of the people, fire in the sky. Mekelle, forever we hold our heads high.
Yeah, echoes of drums in the midnight air. Culture so rich, man, it's everywhere. From Romanat to Ada, the vibe so strong, we've been hurting, but still we move on. Young kings, young queens, we breaking the chain. From ashes we rise, we dance in the rain. No matter the fight, no matter the test, Mekelle City, forever we're blessed.
Voices of martyrs whisper in the wind. History written, where do we begin? This is the land where courage was born. Mekelle, my heartbeat, my soul, my soul. Mekelle City shining in my soul. Even through the struggle we'll never let go. Beat of the people, fire in the sky. Mekelle, forever we hold our heads high.
Yeah, stand tall, Mekelle. We rise, we shine, we heal, we grind. Forever Tigray, forever my city.